Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Good Riddance on electric guitar step by step. Tune to standard, capo on the 2nd fret for original key, and set a clean tone. Start by learning the basic G, C, D, and M shapes and practice smooth chord changes. Focus on down and up strum consistency and count beats aloud. Repeat slowly until transitions are confident and even. Start by fingering the G, CAD 9, D, and M shapes accurately and keep fingers close to the fret wire. Use your palm to lightly mute any ringing strings and trim extra motion between changes. Practice switching slowly while keeping a steady metronome click and count the beats aloud to reinforce timing. Gradually raise the tempo as transitions stay clean and consistent to build real musical confidence. Get the strumming pattern steady, down, down, up, and keep your wrist loose for smooth motion. Emphasize the first beat of each bar and play softer on inner beats to mimic the song's natural dynamics. Work with a metronome and start at a reduced tempo, then match the original feel once comfortable. Finish by practicing along with a slowed backing track to lock in timing and expression.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.